Hi everybody, welcome to the Language Training Center, new concept English video classroom. And today we will learn lesson 40. What are you going to do? Siz nima ish qilmoqchi degan darsa. I'm going to... Okay. Endi qaranglar bolalar bu rasmni aytib qiziq ekanimda nima ish qilmoqchi? Kechirama. Xo'sh hamsa. Bu yangi so'zlar bor ekan. Bu qaranglar. Okay, masalan take. Okay, take. All right, take deganimiz ib bormoq. Birga ib berish nima? Show. Okay, show ko'rsatmak. Send avatmak, yo'llamak degan gap. Endi birinchi qaranglar, show degan gap. Show. Masalan, show somebody something yoki show something to somebody. Abayqa o'xshash. Masalan, show me your passports, please. Pasportinglarni ko'rsatinglar. Biz ilgari passports please deb o'rgangan shuni, ammo pasportinglarni chiqaringlar. Demak, endi mushning oldida show me degan so'z bor. Okay, show me degan so'z bor. Demak, show me your passports please. Demak, pasportinglarni ko'rsatinglar. Endi kimligingizni ko'rsating bo'lsa, show me your ID please. Show me your ID please. Okay, and what do you want to show me? Siz nimani ko'rsatgingiz va menga nimani ko'rsatmoqchisiniz? Nima? What do you want to show me? What do you want to show me? So can you show me the way to the bank? So can you show me siz menga ko'rsatib qo'ya olamsiz the way to the bank? Bankga boradigan yo'lni. Demak, sizga bankga qanday boradiganligini bir ko'rsatib qo'ya olamsiz? Can you show me the way to the bank? Masalan, can you show me the way to G'oya? G'oyaga boradigan yo'lni ko'rsatib qo'ya olamsiz? Degan gap. Okay. And I'm going to show the picture to my brother. And the men rasmni mush inimga yoki akamga qanday qilmoqchi? Ko'rsatmoqchi. I'm going to show the picture to my brother. Okay, show. Ondan keyin show and bu televiziya programmalar bo'ldi. Bir ko'rik deb qo'yamiz hamda. Amerika inglizlar show deydi, Angliya inglizlar program deydi. Har xil programmalar bor. Masalan, shirin tush deymiz, kind of show. Ko'ngillik so'z deymiz, kind of talk show shunami. Masalan, fashion show. Fashion show degan har xil mushu moda kiyim-kechak bir ko'rgi manda ko'rikini programmalarni deymiz, fashion show. Har xil yangi bir kiyim-kechaklarni tanishtirgan shuni fashion show. And talent show, talant ko'rki. Masalan, talantni ko'rsatgan programmalar, masalan, Xinjiangniki talant, naq shu nima, masalan, talent show. Xinjiang talant ko'rki, nima? Xinjiang talent show. And talk show. Okay? Talk show deganimiz har xil paranglar, masalan, ko'ngillik so'z, masalan, shu har xil suhbatlab boradigan suhbatlarni deymiz, talk show deymiz. Har xil cho'lponlarni ziyorat qilib shunami? Qilgan programlarni talk show. Xo'sh, next one is send. Masalan, send somebody something, yoki send something to somebody. Masalan, please send me a postcard. Menga bir otritka berdi. A postcard degan otritka. Yangi yilda yoki bir yak borganda do'stlarimizga bertirgan shunami? Masalan, do your parents send you email? Okay. Ota-onangiz sizga email qildimi? Email avatdimi? Shunami? Demak, endi send degan shu avatmak, yo'llamak, masalan, pochtadan va yoki masalan email olamdi, masalan qisqacha yo'llashmi, shuna o'xshashlarmi? Send keladi. Okay? Send. Masalan, I sent you a gift for your birthday. Endi men sizning tug'ilgan kuningizga bir sovg'at yo'lladim, sovg'at qanday qildim? Avatdim. I sent you a gift for your birthday. He is sending a message to you. U sizga bir nima uchrayapti. Masalan, send a message to somebody. Chunki bu bevosita. Ma'laq vositlik to'ldiruvchi emas, bevosita to'ldiruvchi xabardan keyin kelib qolganda vositlik to'ldiruvchi masalan yo'ning oldiga nima qo'ymaymiz? To deganni qo'yamiz. Shunga he is sending a message to you. Xo'sh, endi take somebody something and take something to somebody. Endi bir olib bormoq degan gap. Okay. Masalan, take the dishes to the kitchen. Endi bu taxslarni oshxonaga olib boring. Shunami? Don't take this book to him. Endi bu kitobni uningga elib bormang degan gap bo'ldi. Masalan, take me to your heart. Meni yuragingizga olib boring degan gap. Yoki mesela my father always takes me to the park. Mening dadam doim meni bog'cha olib bordi deganda. Shu take degan ilib bormoq degan gap. Mesela do you take the phone with me with you? Siz telefonni o'zingizning yanida elib oldingizmi? Demakki elib yurdingizmi? Do you take? Shunami? Shuni deymiz, take. Mesela he takes his dog to the park. And o ishtini nega elib oldi? Bog'cha qanday qilib oldi? Elib oldi. And so don't forget to take your umbrella. And kunligingizni unutib qolmang. Shunami? Don't forget to take your umbrella. Kunligingizni elib olishni qanday qilmang? Unutib qolmang. Don't forget to take your umbrella. Umbrella. Take. Hoş, written exercise. And the ma'na qanday qilgan bo'lsanglar o'zgartirib, masalan, give me that ways deganda give that ways to me. O'zgartirganmiz. Masalan, send that letter to George. And the ma'nada ma vastliq bevosita to'ldiruvchi ma'na kelgan to bo'ldi emasmi? Buni aslida emas, send that letter to me degandek. Masalan, show me that picture. And buni o'zgartirsak nima? Show that picture to me. And that is in the manko'stim. And then mesela take those flowers to her. Take her those flowers. Okay. Mesela give these ice creams to the boys. And the mavaslı to'ldirchani keyin desa, take those boys these ice creams. Degandek. Mesela put on your coat. Buni mesela o'zga misol qaranglar. I'm going to put it on. Nima desanglar? Turn on the tap. Mesela I'm going to put it on and put on your coat. Demek endi put it on. Endi bu jumlada put on o'tirga qanday etni qilishga qanday desanglar tamamen bo'ladi. Tamamen bo'ladi. Lekin endi put on it desek qanday desanglar qamlashmaydi. Cho'qim put on endi cho'qim ism keldi, almash ketishib bo'lmaydi. Masalan turn on the taps. Bu nima? I'm going to turn them on. Ularni qanday qilmoqchi? Ochmoqchi. Take off your hat. And I'm going to take it off. Turn on the TV. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, I'm the mention açmoqchi degandek. Okay. Bulda hamza topshiriq bolalar. Bugungi topshiriq nima desanglar? Bo'lsa shu so'zlikni 30 qatim ko'chiranglar. Tekstni cho'qim yodlanglar. Bu qaysi tekst desang 37 yo'q 39 darsdan ekan. 38 darsdan tekstni ravrs yodlab, nayti ching tutib yodlanglar. Bir tekstni yodlaganliginglar, anda 10 tekst o'rganinglar yaxshi. Qanday? That's all for today. See ya.